If you're constantly having to turn your pasta water down because it's about to boil over, I can completely relate, and this pot solved that problem for me. We already own the SENSARTE 4.5 quart pot and one of their frying pans, and we've been so happy with both of them that when we realized we needed something bigger, I didn't even hesitate to order this 7-quart stock pot. And honestly, my favorite thing about this is the size. Before getting this, whenever I was boiling pasta, I would constantly have to keep an eye on the pot because the water would start bubbling over. I'd end up turning down the heat just to keep it from making a mess on my stove. With this larger pot, I don't have that problem anymore at all. I can keep the water at a full rolling boil without worrying about it boiling over the sides, and I know that probably sounds like a small thing, but it has honestly made cooking pasta so much less frustrating. It's one of those little kitchen upgrades that you don't realize you'll appreciate until you have it. The 7-quart size is also perfect for making larger meals. Whether I'm cooking pasta, soup, chili, stew, or anything that needs a little extra room, I never feel like I'm running out of space. The non-stick coating is another reason that I keep buying SENSARTE cookware. Food releases really easily and cleanup is quick afterward. It also heats really evenly, so I don't notice hot spots, and is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, which is nice if you ever change your stove in the future. The tempered glass lid is another feature that I like because I can easily check on my food without constantly lifting the lid and letting all the heat escape. Even though it's a larger pot, it doesn't feel overly heavy either. It's sturdy, but it's still comfortable to move around the kitchen, especially when I'm draining pasta or transferring food. We've had such a great experience with SENSARTE cookware that adding this larger stock pot just made sense for us. We already loved our smaller pot and frying pan, and this has been the perfect addition. If you're looking for a bigger pot for pasta, soups, stews, or family-sized meals, I definitely recommend giving this one a look. It's been a great upgrade in our kitchen, and I honestly wish that we bought the larger size sooner.